Guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're playing Minecraft. Now, why is it flat and why is there one singular ender chest? Well, I've been working on this like start, and of course I'm trying to do smooth, like G like oil formation as well. I've really started to get good at PvP, you know. Oh my god, bro! Oh my god, bro. Whatever, bro. Trying to pull out my card, Since I'm really good with card PvP emoji. You know. And if you know, you know. I've been really starting to get good at card PvP recently. Practice a lot. Didn't practice a lot, but just get on the D, bro. Okay, wait, let's go. Hold on. I'm using pots real G. Really quick. Ah, no. No creative mode, by the way. Yeah. They just look at me like I've used creative mode. I would never use creative mode. In fact, I've never used creative mode in my life. It's holy, dude. Holy crap, I was creative mode. Huh? Wandering villagers, bro. Far, 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 far. My bad, getting out of food. Have to head arrows. That a wolf gang? Right. Gives pork. Honey, where's my... Oh, damn, bro. I'm experienced with these type of shits, dude. This is just testing my card PvP right now. Plus bow and arrow skills. It's gonna attack me, isn't it? Anyways. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. This is not only you actually get free arrows? A lot faster than it used to be. Holy, this guy does damage. Holy maybe I'll just. Oh sh! Trying to get better at PvP. So hop plus over you go to the add PvP. Let's pick that more, bro. Alright, no parts. No parts. Good. Holy. Fire technique, bro. Fire technique, bro. Bro. Fire PvP, bro. Fire PvP. Holy shit, we're getting fired with this one, bro. We're getting fired with this one, bro. We're getting fired. He dead. Oh shit, he attacking me. Hold on, forgot to someone here. Oh, God, draft. What is that, dude? Okay. Get to die, IG. Right behind your back. Snipe. What's wrong here? Look here, there's nobody. Anyways, why do I put a banner here somewhere? God damn, it's raining heavy outside. Okay, I did maybe do a creative mode over here. We're chilling. Oh my lord. Card PvP on dark. Shit. Whoa, what is this? Oh god. Okay, hold on. Boom. This. Ha. 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 Anyways, guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. We always rock, we always peace. Rock, peace out. I'm sad, man. We always rock, we always peace. Hold on, thumbnail, 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 thumbnail. Anyways, I was just taking a thumbnail picture, and we always rock, and now it's all goodbye. So we always rock, we always peace. Rock, peace out.